Alright guys, so I just got I think confirmation when I was walking. I heard a sound, and that sound is very is specific from a show, and this is the show. I'm just gonna show you guys. How do I turn it off? So that's the sound that I heard when I was walking this morning. So yeah, so that was the sound that I was hearing. For those who didn't watch the show, so that section of the show is basically they are trapped. They're like there 10 of them are trapped, and they want to get out, but there's no way to get out as they are surrounded. But the boat, Mary, the boat came to get him, and by faith they jumped in the water, and Mary was there, and they were able to escape on that boat. So yeah, so God just gave me this confirmation that is unique to me, because I've watched the show. I've watched the show, and I know what it means. So basically, yeah, the rapture could be on a day where it's gonna be very bad, and or only escape is gonna be the rapture. So yeah, guys, so very good confirmation. So yep, let's fly, or should I say let's sail into heaven with the cruise ship. Sail to heaven with the cruise ship.